Alright, I just came into this Indian restaurant, South Indian cuisine, Madras, Masala. And for the first time, I'm trying their, what are they calling it? Dosas. It's a rice crepe. She allowed me to order a smaller one. Like there's a dinner portion. I'm just needing something light. And I'm gonna find out what this is to go with the rice crepe. And these are their samosas. They're small and cute. And of course, I am on my live stream out and about with yours truly. This is going to be the food review for Madras Masala. Okay, so I have to ask her. Okay, I'll dig into this in a second. I want to find out what this is, the sauce is. Okay. Let's try the samosas. I don't know what the sauce is. One for you, chutney, and then that one looks minty. They're so cute. It's not too spicy. It's a fruity chutney. Potatoey. Take your bite. Yum. Yeah. It's minty. So it's inside it's potato, but it's more like a mashed potato. Not like the chunky potatoes and stuff in there. It's good. I like the outside, the pastry. Very good. I would like to find out what the sauce is. Okay, so the sauces are.
It's tamarind sauce.
Sorry, tamarind sauce, and then
it's mint sauce.
Mint sauce,
Yeah.
and and then
It's lentil soup. Sambar.
lentil soup.
Yeah.
So I break
you have to
pieces
dip it,
off
yeah.
and dip it in. Okay.
Do you
Got
like
it.
it? Do you like the samosa?
This samosa is beautiful. I like it. Very good. Okay. So I break off. So that's very thin. Very thin rice crepe. I've never had this, so all new to me. And this is a lentil soup. Okay, I'm going to show my live stream viewers. Very good. Nice change. Wow, that's nice. The texture. Neat. Yeah, this is perfect. I just needed something light. I have to come back and order a full entree. Just something. I did a full walk along here for the first time. Bloorcourt neighborhood. Very nice neighborhood. Goodbye. So if you're new to the Toronto area or visiting, come over to Bloorcourt neighborhood. Come to Madras Masala. Bye. Yum. Coming back on just to show how paper thin this rice crepe. Very thin. I was joking and said it looks like a dunce hat. But this is so perfect to for a light snack, you know. And I love the samosas. Very good. Really impressed. I've had samosas many times, but I do really like these ones, so I will definitely be back. Check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz of C, for the unedited live replay, 5 hours and 45-minute live stream exploring Bloorcourt Village.